Guys, I am so happy, I am thrilled, and I am so excited for you guys. I wish you all the very best, and I hope you guys make it through Emirates and be a part of a lovely community. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shweta. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. So guys, since the time I have created this channel, I have met a lot of aspiring cabin crew out there who wants to join Emirates and wants to be a part of a crew community. So this is the moment, guys. Today I can say that Emirates have started the recruitment. They have started accepting applications. So I am extremely happy. I am extremely glad that they have opened and they want new people to come in and join Emirates. So in this video, I will be discussing about what are the recruitment process, what are the requirements, and what you need to do in order to apply for Emirates, and also followed by my roster. My roster for the month of September is out, so if you're interested, please watch the video until the end. Do not skip. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification button so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification. So let's dive straight into the video. I'm gonna give you a little backstory here before we begin our lovely recruitment process and the information regarding that. So what has happened was, due to pandemic, a lot of crew got redundant last year. Now Emirates, they have rolled out an email on the former crew who were made redundant last year. Unfortunately, due to pandemic, they want them to come back to Emirates, which is great because people who have not found their jobs and people who were really struggling, at least they have an opportunity now to come back to Emirates and start their flying career back again with Emirates. And a lot of people actually were waiting for this moment, and finally this day is here, where they have rolled out the emails to their former staff and they want the staff to come back. Simultaneously, they are also accepting applications from fresh candidates. First foremost information of where do you actually apply as a cabin crew. You go on Emirates website. Either you go on emirates.com and you scroll down and there would be a career section. Either you apply from there, or the second option is straight from the page. It's called emiratesgroupcareers.com. So put the link for you in the description box so that it's easy access for you guys, so that you can jump straight onto the cabin crew page. They have not specified any nationalities, so I really have no idea if they're looking for a specific nationality or they are looking out for any nationality. All right, I would suggest please go ahead and apply as soon as you can. A lot of details when it comes to job responsibilities, what you need to do. They have also mentioned what are the interview rounds gonna be like. Most likely it's gonna be a virtual interview. Now, what are the requirements? You should be above 21 years of age. 12th is the minimum qualification. If you know any additional languages, that's a plus. That gives more weightage to your CV. There is a long application that you need to fill out with your resume, with your details, with your past work experiences. So whenever you are sitting down to fill out the application form, I would suggest have a day to yourself, sit down, go through the application completely once, prepare yourself, and then go ahead and write in your application. Make it very straightforward, make it factual. Honestly, I cannot really comment how the interview is going to be like, but at least for now I would say put in your application, let it go under their system. If it gets shortlisted, of course you will be contacted to discuss further how the interview rounds are gonna be, but most likely from the way it looks right now, it looks like it is gonna be a virtual interview. Pretty much about it, about the recruitment. I am so happy, guys. I am really happy that Emirates has started the recruitment process. They want manpower, and as I kept on saying from last year, I kept on mentioning in my videos that please guys wait, because I know for sure that they will start recruiting at some point. Last year people got redundant, and this year, after exactly after 1 year they have asked people to come back. So there you go, you know, they need manpower. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead, apply, and I wish you all the very best, whoever is applying in Emirates, and I hope to see you as my colleagues in Emirates. Any questions regarding hiring process, please let me know, comment down below. Now let's begin with my roster. If you're interested, please watch the video. If you're not interested in my roster, you can skip and you can leave the video right here. So my lovely roster for the month of September is out already. Honestly, in September, when the roster came out, it came out few days ago. I had few flights, they took it off because, you know, certain countries are shutting their borders, especially Philippines. I had Manila next month, they automatically took it off. They rostered me, within a day it was gone. So I don't know, I'm guessing I'll be getting flights. Starting with Cape Town, I've got Cape Town, South Africa. After so long, I'll be doing South Africa. South Africa was closed due to COVID for the longest time ever. They have just recently opened up, I think a couple of months ago, and I'm quite excited to do Cape Town, to be honest. I've got Cape Town. Unfortunately, I mean, I love Cape Town, it's a beautiful city in South Africa, but unfortunately we cannot step out because it's in the red zone, so we cannot really do much. And then I have got Beirut. Beirut is in Lebanon. That's a turnaround. That means I go in the morning and I come back in the evening the same day. But it's a long turnaround. It's like 4.5 going, 4.5 coming back. So it literally takes up the whole day. I've got leave for 6 days, and right after my leave, I've got Hamburg. Hamburg is in Germany. A layover. I'll be staying there for a day. So it is exactly 24 hours layover in Hamburg. I'm quite excited to do Hamburg, honestly. Right now Europe is the best because it's all you know, like we can go out for workout, we can buy our groceries, a little extra activities which we cannot do in, let's say, in South Africa. We cannot go out, cannot do much. Right now, if you ask me, I prefer to fly to Europe. Then I've got like 8 days of Canyons. Hopefully I'm guessing I'll be getting flights because they need staff, as I said. So that's pretty much about it. My roster, I've got only 3 flights so far, but I am guessing I'll be getting more on my Canyons, and they will be rostering me for the flights. If this video has helped you in any way, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Also comment down below what did you like about the video. Also do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. Take care, ma salama, bye bye, and be safe.